If you'd like to see how I got this look, and Renovating Renee got dressed, we decided to do a nice little New Year's Eve look. That way, if you're going somewhere, you can be glam. If you're not, you can be casual. But we thought we'd share this look with you guys. Keep on watching. First and foremost, I'm going to have to do my brows off camera. I'm working on them, so. Second, let's take into consideration, I am not a makeup artist. I'm just a girl having fun, playing in makeup. And third, I hope that you all had a great holiday. I did. So let's get started on this makeup. You can see I'm working on them. I'm getting a little bit better, way better than before. My foundation is going to be another story, but we'll get to that later on in the video. I just wanted to show you guys how I did my brows, and so my cousin and I are going to go ahead and get started on the rest of our face.
Are you talking through it or what?
It was at this moment I decided we will not be talking through this video. So I decided to do a voiceover on certain parts, but the rest of this, it's just going to be music playing, no talking. See you guys at the end.
The concealer. I didn't put foundation right here or here, or I didn't put it here. And see, and that's how you use less foundation, right? And then now I'm going to get the same brush. You can use a different brush, but I'm going to use this one with the
Looking forward. Yeah. You spend a lot of time doing this.
Because I'm
Okay guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and finish up my makeup, turn my lips, and you'll see me once I'm actually fully together.